Hi friends, welcome to RV Academy. In this video, I explain what is redemption of preference shares, what are the legal provisions with regards to redemption of preference shares, and what are the various journal entries to be passed in the books of a company at the time of redemption. Today let me take at least two problems to make you understand which appears for 6 marks. Now let us see this problem. Following balances are appearing in the ledger of a company as on 31st of March 2008. Equity share capital 6 lakhs, preference share capital 3 lakhs, general reserves 2 lakhs, profit and loss account 1,25,000, share premium account 50,000. The company decided to redeem the preference shares at a premium of 10% out of its undistributed profits and reserves. Give journal entries. Friends, before you solve the problem, what amount we should redeem, that we have to see, and how the sources are generated for redemption of preference shares should be seen. As I said, there are only two sources for redemption of preference shares. One is from equity shares, that is fresh issue of equity shares, or else from divisible profits. In this particular problem, it is very clearly mentioned that the redemption should be made out of general reserve, profit and loss account, and securities premium. First, I will write capital to be redeemed. Capital to be redeemed, preference share capital, I have to redeem 3 lakh rupees. This amount is paid along with the premium. Premium on redemption 30,000. So totally, that means 10% of this, 10% of 3 lakhs. Total amount payable is 3,30,000. Actual amount payable is 3 lakhs. On redemption, they are paying a premium of 30,000. The preference shares can be either redeemed at par or at premium. In this problem, it is redeemed at premium. Now, how this has been generated? So, this premium is adjusted with securities premium. 50,000 we have in the balances. Out of that, premium on redemption 30,000 will go. The remaining 20,000 will be the balance amount, balance of premium. In case if this premium is not available, then we have to adjust this securities premium either with general reserve or with P&L account. Since we have the securities premium in the balance sheet, we are utilizing that premium with redemption premium. Now, the remaining 3 lakh rupees I should pay. How I can pay? P&L account 1,25,000 I can utilize, and remaining general reserve, remaining 1,75,000, totally 3 lakhs. This is the amount I should redeem. How it has been generated? Out of the divisible profits. Divisible profit we have 1,25,000 in the P&L account. Remaining 1,75,000 I transferred from general reserve. Totally it comes to 3 lakhs. Securities premium is adjusted with premium on redemption. The remaining balance is in the balance sheet 20,000. This balance we need not worry since we have 50,000 that have been taken here. Now let us take a journal entries here. First one, amount payable 3,30,000. For that I passed the entry. Preference share capital account date are 3 lakhs. Premium on redemption account date are 30,000 to preference share holders account. Preference share holders account. The amount payable to preference share holders is 3,30,000 together with premium. Now, I will adjust this 30,000 rupees premium. I transfer this redemption premium to share premium account. Share premium or securities premium. Share premium account date are 30,000 to premium on redemption 30,000. Premium on redemption debited here. Now I credited by transferring it to securities premium. Third one, this entry P&L account 1,25,000 general reserve 1,75,000. I took 3 lakh rupees from divisible profit for the purpose of redemption. So I took 1,25,000 from profit and loss account and 1,75,000 from general reserve. Total amount will go to capital redemption reserve. This capital redemption reserve cannot be utilized in future for the distribution of dividends. This will be used for the purpose of bonus shares. And last one, it is the time to make the payment. Preference shareholders account debtors to bank 3,30,000 since the cash is going out. This is one problem. I will take one more problem similar to this. Wishes to redeem its preference shares amounting to rupees 1 lakh at a premium of 5%, and for this purpose issues 5,000 equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 5%. The company also has a balance of 1 lakh in general reserve and 5 lakhs in P&L account. Give journal entries to record the above transaction. For the purpose of redemption of preference shares, they issued 50,000 rupees in the form of equity shares at a premium of 5%, 2,500. 50 to 500, remaining amount is utilized from profit and loss account or divisible profit. Now, before that, you just look at this table. Preference share capital to be redeemed. Preference share capital 1 lakh. They redeemed at a premium of 5,000 rupees, that is 5% of 1 lakh. It comes to 1,05,000. How this has been generated? There are only two sources, either from equity shares or from divisible profits, or both. Here we have both. Securities premium payable is 5,000. Here 5,000. There is no securities premium in the balance sheet, but however, from the fresh issue of equity shares we received 2,500. Fresh issue of equity shares 2,000 premium, that is securities premium. Remaining 2,500 I took it from profit and loss account, so totally it comes to 5,000. Now this 1 lakh rupee, how it has been redeemed? 50,000 is issued in the form of equity shares. 50,000 I written as fresh issue of shares, and remaining 50,000 I took it from P&L account, totally 1 lakh. Now just look at this journal entries after writing these two calculations. First, for the purpose of redemption, fresh issue of equity shares is made. So you receive the cash, bank account data 50 to 500, to equity share capital 50,000, securities premium 2,500. For the purpose of redemption, the company is issued 5,000 equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 5%. So 50 to 500 they received from equity shares in the form of cash. And now, how much amount payable to preference shareholders? That entry has been passed. Just look at this table. Preference share capital account data 1 lakh. Premium on redemption 5,000. To preference shareholders account 1,05,000. Total amount payable. Now, this part, securities premium, this 2,500 I utilized for the purpose of redemption premium. P&L account 2,500. To premium on redemption 5,000. This 5,000 is adjusted with securities premium and P&L account together. Now the 50,000 rupees I took it from P&L account because 50,000 we received from fresh issue of equity shares. Remaining 50,000 P&L account data to capital redemption reserve account 50,000. It is time to make the payment. When you are paying the preference shareholders or redeeming the preference shares, preference shareholders account debit to bank because cash is going up, to bank account credit 1,05,000. These are the various journal entries to be passed in the books of the company. In my next video, I am going to work out 14 marks problem whereby we have to pass the journal entries and prepare revised balance sheet after redemption. So share and subscribe my video. Thank you.